21 days with Paisa Double. I never say these kind of things, but here are three biggest of the startups which are going to launch their IPOs in 2021. So save all the money which you have and wait for the right time to invest in these three companies. Flipkart. This company is not only taking the online world but also the offline world by modernizing their old stores best price by the name of Flipkart Wholesale. Zomato, the original Indian idea and the biggest food delivery startup in the country. Policybazaar. Most of the Wall Street banks are waiting for this IPO, so you better not miss the chance.
Everyone should know about success. If you don't know what's your flaw, that's your biggest flaw. Lack of self-awareness is the biggest killer for success. You should know about your strengths and weaknesses. If you think that lack of intelligence or lack of talent is stopping you to become successful, that's bullshit because that's only 1%. 99% is consistently putting efforts for very long. You are bound to fail if you only want success just to show it off to people, or you have attached yourself to a materialistic thing. Find yourself a bigger purpose.
Major news about India which you shouldn't miss. Finally, the wait is over. Tesla is coming to India in 2021 and they might also set up a manufacturing unit in India. 40 to 50 million doses of COVID vaccine by Serum India is already ready. Adani Ports becomes the second company from India to reach $1 trillion in market capitalization. First company to reach market capitalization of $1 trillion was of Mukesh Ambani's. The second is of Gautam Adani. Do you think this is only because of Gujarati acumen or do you think it's because of favorable political connections? International companies that change their tactics just to enter Indian market. LinkedIn, it is primarily known to create opportunities for white collar job people, but India is a country which is dominated by job seekers in the blue collared world. That's why they partnered with skill development corporations in India to cater to a completely new market. WhatsApp, it was primarily built for having personal conversations with people, but in India, people started using it with their customers. That's why WhatsApp launched WhatsApp Business for the first time in the world. Hermes, it launched limited edition Sari collection just to tap Indian.